Hi Neil, just a quick video of your clocks working now they're completed. Just power them on, they do the sweep, and then as the gears are selected, first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth in blue as you requested, if the run stop switch is enabled you get a warning. That is selectable to different patterns, so you can change it to whichever one you prefer. I will leave it on that one. And whilst you're in gear, if it's too bright at night, you can dim that to one of 5 different levels, and it will remember that when you turn the bike off, so you don't have to keep resetting it. But again, I'll leave it on the maximum brilliance. And then just to give it some speed and RPM, I'll give it 8,000 revs and 100 mile an hour. And there it is. I won't leave that going. Save running up your miles. Hope you like them.